Alright, hi. So one of my students brought to my attention that she was struggling to use the selection tool on uh, Photopea. So I did some discovering and working on with this tool, and I've learned that if you turn down the hardness of this brush, it becomes a little bit more friendly. So for example, so this is kind of the default size right here. All right, so when I click on this right here, you see how it takes up so much of this cow I don't want. I try to draw around and it just keeps on just sort of guessing what it wants to do. And you try to get rid of it. Let's see. But you have to do so much like erasing and stuff like that. Um, all this to clean up. I don't really know what your default size is for this brush setting. I don't know what your default size is for this. We definitely learned that if you turn down the hardness of this brush, again, now that the hardness is down, like it's not making these drastic guesses like Alt, and it even doesn't sort of cooperate with you. Go ahead and turn. Hardness back down. Again, see, now that's where it's acting a little fun. And in order to, so when you add, you're just doing a regular add, right? But to delete, you hold shift. I'm deleting this. I'm sorry, I'm holding alt. You hold alt. Alt to move, and you just do a regular left click. Alt. Left click. Hopefully that works. Let me know if it doesn't.